Once your tournament is set up, running it in TKD Tracker is straightforward. Start by opening your tournament. Before scoring any events, add competitors to the tournament. These competitors act as the source pool for every event. You can add competitors you've already created or easily add someone new using the Others option. This makes it simple to include anyone who isn't already in your competitors list. Once competitors are added, open an event and add competitors from the tournament into that event. As competitors perform, you can score each entry and view results as they're recorded. In Forms and Weapons events, the first 3 competitors are scored quickly, and TKD Tracker supports this with the first 3 scoring button. As results are calculated, placements are updated automatically. If a tie occurs, TKD Tracker clearly flags it and guides you through resolving the tie so final placements are set correctly. Once scoring is complete, you can review results and move on to the next event with confidence. TKD Tracker is designed to handle the details of running a tournament, so you can focus on the athletes and the competition. TKD Tracker. Score it, track it, share it.